Assalamualaikum, grade 5 online with computers. Grade 5, now we are going to start chapter number 6, logo procedure. And after reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss different points. First one is define modes of operators in logo, execute a procedure, save a procedure, load a procedure, edit procedure file, and delete a procedure. Logo provides two modes of operators. First one is immediate mode, second is procedure mode. Immediate mode, that means whatever is typed in the input box is executed at once. And procedure mode is a mode that may contains other procedures or logo commands. The difference between immediate mode and procedure mode is that a command is already defined in logo, but a procedure is a set of commands defined by the user. Procedure mode. People can write a procedure of any set of logo commands depending on your requirements. To create a procedure, follow the given step. First one is type to space. Space means procedure command which you want to create. Type in input box. After this dialog box appears. Two more title. In input box, type the command. After typing the command, click OK, and to close your work or command, type end in the input space and press enter or OK key. After this, you will see the message square defined in the recall list box. How to execute a procedure? Even as the program ends and gets defined, the square is not run on the screen. The task is now to get the square run on the screen. To get square run, you need to execute or run the procedure. To execute a procedure, follow the given step. First one is type name of procedure in the input box. For example, type square in the input box and press enter key. After press enter key, the square will get drawn on the screen. Another example of how to execute a program. For pentagon, follow the given step. Type command. Input box will appear. Type command in input box and click OK. After define the pentagon, type pentagon and press enter key. The pentagon will get display on the screen. Similarly, we performed this procedure in previous figure. Next one is how to save a procedure. To save a procedure, follow the given step. First one is click File tab on the ribbon. A list of options appears. Click Save or Save As. When you click Save or Save As button, a dialog box appears on the screen. Type file name in file name box and click Save to save the program. How to load a procedure? Similarly, you can load a procedure. Click File tab. A list of options appears. Click Load button. When you click this button, this dialog box appears. Select the file and the file name is typed in the file name box and click Open. When you click open, the procedure file is loaded into the computer memory and saved. Now you can use the procedure by typing in the procedure name to execute it. When you type the procedure name in the input box, you will get the follow message in the computer screen.